Alright, I'm back with yet another smoke alarm review. And this will be probably my last review for a while. I'm sure I'll get a few alarms here and there because, Christmas is coming up and I usually end up halting. Getting alarms because, Christmas. But yeah, I'd just like to say that. And also, I'd like to clear up, I did not, I actually got this kind of as like a gift. And no, the person who got me this did not pay full price. Do not worry. So, yeah. But anyhow, now that I have that cleared up, this is, well, an ESL. This is one of ESL's more common models. This is the, I'll flip it over. Sorry about that. This is the ESL 206. And I don't know, I think this might have been Gillette's, oh my gosh. ESL's last residential model before they, well, stopped making residential alarms. Although, feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. But even with it being one of ESL's more common alarms, it's still very rare to come across in collections and in houses. Now, unfortunately, this did not come with the bracket or the connector, and I did know that when I asked for it. And so yeah, I do know that Firex harnesses can work on these, but I don't have a Firex at the moment, so if I ever get a Firex, I can probably hook it up that way. And this is from, okay, this is the confusing part. Now, it's either from 1980 or 1981. But that's what confuses me, because I don't know if they were actually made that late. This could just be a completely random number. But I'm just going to take a guess, and please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just going to take a guess that this is from, like, 81. But I'm not sure. And these actually use filters, which I did not know. And I actually found that out the hard way, because when I opened the box that this had came in, the filter had basically self-destructed. So, yeah. I did not know that, or think that they had filters, because the Gillette versions, which here's my Gillette 941, do not have that filter on either of the sides. So, yeah. But anyhow, actually I should keep that Gillette. These were rebranded by Gillette. And Gillette made two models that I know of based off of this specific ESL. The 941, which is by far the most common, and the rarer 929, which is 12.6 volt. Now, I do not know if ESL had a line cord version of this, although I can only guess they probably did, as it's literally exactly the same as the Gillette's on the bottom. And I also do not know if they made a 12.6 volt version, because I'm gonna say they probably did, because I highly doubt Gillette would have went out of their way to actually make their own design. So yeah. And then also Gillette also had a rebrand of the, I think it was the 709-2. But that's not important for this video. Now, unfortunately, I cannot test this alarm because of the harness situation, and I don't want to snip it because it's too rare to snip. But it sounds exactly the same as the Gillette 941s, and I will give the 941 a test, so I will be right back. Alright, now let's give it a test. And this is to represent the ESL, and they do both use the same horn, so it should sound exactly the same. I'm so scared for this. Will it test? Actually, wait. Having technical difficulties here. I'm shaking. Oh no, did my Gillette decide to give up? Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay. I'm not gonna blast that for any any longer because I have neighbors and it's late at night and that scared me, so. But you get the basic idea. It just uses the classic you know, the classic buzzer sound that these all use. So, yeah. But anyhow, that scared me. Anyhow, also, from what I've seen, these actually alarm much quicker. But anyhow, I believe that is all I have to say for this video. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.